Welcome, it's Dina Colada. I'm so glad that you're here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Canva account. Now, I love Canva, as you guys know, and I'm an affiliate for them. So if you haven't tried Canva yet, I highly suggest it if you do social media, marketing, or anything that has graphics in it, because it can make you an instant graphic designer. It's incredible. And the reason I'm deleting this is because I signed in with Google once, and then I signed in with my email, and so now I have two accounts and I don't need two. So what I'm going to do is I'm logged into the Google account, and so you're going to go up to your image or the right hand corner of the circle if you haven't uploaded an image, and click the picture and then click account settings. This is a pretty quick video today. Then we are going to go to login and security. You can sign out, request a download, and at the bottom it says delete account. It's scary to do that because I do have a lot of images still stored in there, but I want to switch over to my main one and get rid of this because it keeps trying to log me in to my old account. So I'm going to type in the word delete into that field and then click the red button that says delete account. And that's it. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and comment, and please check out my other videos. I'll see you then.